welcome back to another video, and this is part 2 to the last video. That's why you see me have on the same outfit. But as you can see, today there's really no intro because I'm in a hurry. I gotta go. I'm about to be skirting through these screens. I'm just like nah. Anyways, nah, but for real though, I'm gonna be driving for the first time today, and I wanted to take y'all along with me so that we can just like start this series off. And yeah, so let's go. Alright, so I'm in the car right now, heading to the spot where I'm about to start practicing. So yeah, I got y'all when I'm in the front seat. Okay, so I'm here right now, and I'm about to get in the front seat. Come on.
You ain't gonna show them who your mama is?
Do you look camera ready?
Yeah, I'm not good.
Exactly. So come on, let's switch spots.
We'll probably do round 2.
All right. Y'all, I'm so excited. Like, I had to drive for the first time. Okay. I like in the front seat right now. So
I'm not here.
All right, y'all. I'm in the front seat. Hold up. I just gotta see. But I'm in the front seat. I don't skirt. Okay. Okay, hold on. I need to find a. Hold the camera. You got it? All right. Y'all, safety first. Buckle up. You gotta buckle up. Okay. I'm nervous. Okay, so step 1.
Does your leg reach it, or do you need to scoot it back?
My leg. You're shorter than me. I'm pretty sure my leg reach. Oh, there goes that. And there goes the brake.
Are you comfortable like that? Do you need to scoop your chair backwards?
Let me scoop this chair up just a little bit.
Or up?
I'm gonna scoot it up just a little bit. I'm a little bit nervous. Hold on. What thing at? Okay.
Fix your rear mirror.
Let's see. It's good?
Can you see? And I don't know. You tell me.
The back is foggy.
Can you see the back?
It's foggy.
But can you see that?
Yeah, I can see the back. I can see.
What about your side?
My sides, I can see them. It's a little bit foggy. I can see them. Okay. Come on, lead me through it.
So you need to put your feet on the brake.
Foot on the brake. Should I take my foot off? No, I'm not about to take my
No, you
sandal
need to
off.
leave your feet. No, don't take off your sandal because the floor is wet.
Yeah.
Put your foot on the brake. And then put it on.
There go the brake.
Mm-hmm.
I fuck you know.
The brake is this one.
This is the brake, yeah.
But you always use your right foot. You cannot use your left foot for brake and then right foot for driving. Everything is your right foot.
Yeah.
Everything your right foot.
Oh, okay.
So put your feet on the brake.
My right
Hold
foot.
it down. Don't take it off or anything.
I'm holding it down.
Now put it on reverse.
I'm putting the car brake. Reverse.
Okay, when you putting things on reverse,
Okay.
you look back.
Look back.
And go back slowly.
Okay.
Put your foot on the gas slowly. Go start. You can't see?
Hold up.
It's foggy.
It's foggy. Okay, I'm nervous.
Pull back.
Go back. I took my foot off the brake.
It's dark.
Can I do it? Can I do it,
I
Mom?
can't see.
Can I do it, Mom? Mama, can I do it?
Why are you holding it?
Mom! Mommy! Mommy! Mama! Mama! Mama!
What?
Hi.
Like that.
Mom, can I do it for him?
But they can see you turn.
You gotta hold it.
Stop.
Yeah. Okay. Turn signal. About to turn. It's a good turn. Turn signal again. Let's not hit this car.
Too close.
See, that's my number one.
It's not nothing. I don't know why you cannot.
No, I'm just saying.
Imagine.
That's why I was saying, like, that's the one thing that I'd be like, I feel like I gotta go more out so I don't hit the curb, you know?
I'll send him the clips that I'm taking.
It's fine. You don't have to record me, Mama.
I already got it. I'm ready for that.
Turn signal. If anything, I'm gonna send this to my dad. It might go in there, it might not. But this will be sent to my dad. Turn signal.
You can still add this to your clip
I hit that car.
and then do day 2. That's enough.
We're going tomorrow. So, I'm back home and I just want to really wrap up the video and explain how I was feeling in those moments and everything that went on that y'all didn't get to see because I didn't get enough clips and all. But yeah, just remember, if you remember, again, if you new, make sure to hit that like, comment, share, and subscribe button. I should have probably did that in the early part of the video, but it is what it is, right? But yeah, so yeah, let's just hop right into the experience. So okay, so to be honest, like when I first got behind the wheel, like when I was first like for real about to start the driving off, my heart was I was looking, my heart was pounding, like I was nervous. I felt like, dang, okay, so what if I crash the car or something? Like, I don't know. I was just real nervous, real like anxious to even start and stuff. And then from the start, like I just got a little bit nervous. So we got off to a little rocky start, but then I got the hang of it a little bit, and then we went in circles and circles. I gotta work on my turnings. Like honestly, I really thought the second I was about to be like a speed race. So I was about to just be skirt and stuff, but like nah, but like that's not the case. Like for me at least, I thought I was gonna be a natural. I thought I was just about to pop out and just be like, oh shoot, okay, so you know how to drive, da da da. Nah, that's not reality for me, bud. That's not it for me. But I feel like I'm still need to work on it, and I'm going tomorrow, I think. So I'm a film that, and yeah, guys. So stay tuned. If you liked the video, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe so that you don't miss the next one. I didn't even mention this in the last video. Look, I even set up a bear. I had nowhere else to put it, but I feel like, and plus I didn't want this spot to be empty because like that would be weird. Do y'all like the new background type setup? I don't know. Let me know in the comments. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, y'all. Yeah, remember, be you and positive. Don't let nobody bring you down. Have a good week, day, no matter what nobody say. And yeah, peace out.